Let's discuss various chemical reactions of the amines. So in previous videos we have studied about the preparation of amines, where we have got the product as the amines. But here in the chemical reactions, here primary amines, secondary amines will be mainly it act as a substrate or reactant. So you are going to get the various product. So first we should start in that first one, that is called alkylation. Alkylation is, as the name indicates, alkyl groups. We are going to substitute alkyl groups in the place of hydrogen atoms of the amino group. Let's see first one. So you know that primary amines are NH2 with lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atoms. So this will successfully react with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is known as the formula RX, alkyl halide. And you know that, so lone pair of electrons, according to VSEPR theory, the lone pair is greater than lone pair bond pair. But then last comes to the bond pair. So here lone pair will be there. This is the most reactive one. So it attacks with this R group and X will be eliminates. You know that halogen atoms, X group is nothing but halogen atoms. They are always having the more electronegative. So that's why which obstruct the bond pair of electrons and it eliminates as a X minus. It eliminates as a X minus. Okay. So now our X minus will be eliminating. What is the remaining? I am going to write here. And now nitrogen get the positive charge because of the 4 bonds, and similarly as it is. So now this is unstable compound. I want to make it stable. What happens? So you know electronegative difference between nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen will have the more and it is also deficient. So this bond gets migrated towards this nitrogen atoms in order to remove this plus charge, and this hydrogen eliminates as a H plus. Which elements as H plus, and this H plus and X minus they combine and react to give you the form minus HX. That is hydrogen halide group will be eliminated. So I am writing the product as R, and one hydrogen will be as it is there. So lone pair of electrons and R. So this is now we are going to get this is as a secondary amine. So this is called secondary amine. So like this, from primary amines, which is going to react with this alkyl halide, and we are going to get the secondary amine. And here what happens? Here the successful substitution of hydrogen atom in place of RO is going to be substituted. So this type of reaction is also called as substitution reaction. And similarly, this secondary amine continues. Okay, this secondary amine will continue to react with some other alkyl halides. In the same sense, so this is going to eliminate totally. I am going to eliminate the HX. Okay, when I eliminate the HX, I am going to write the direct product as a tertiary amine. Mechanism will be same as it is will be there. So like this, from tertiary amines, once again we are going to treat it with alkyl halides. So we are going to get ammonium salts. Okay. I mean 4 alkyl groups will be attached with the nitrogen atom. So like this we are going to get the product. Okay. So 4 here 3 alkyl group will be there, and when the nitrogen lone pair electrons reacts with alkyl group, so we are going to get ammonium salts. Okay. So here nitrogen got the 4 charges. I mean you know that ammonia. So ammonia will be like this will be there NH3. So this is a always ammonia is 3 bonds. Nitrogen always having the 3 bonds. But here what happens? So here utilization of the lone pair of electrons in order to make a new bond formation. So like this compounds are going to be called as quaternary ammonium salts. So second chemical reaction is called acylation. Here the active hydrogen atom. So these are the active hydrogen atoms of the amines which are going to replace this hydrogen with these acyl groups. Groups. Okay. Acyl group is nothing but anhydride we are going to use, or esters group we are also going to use, and also this acyl chlorides also we can use here. So these, and in this reaction base is required. Okay, I told that this amine is base because these are the derivatives of ammonia. When we are going to tell ammonia as a base, and these primary amines, secondary amines, these are also called as bases. So in this reaction, very strong base is required. That should be more basic than this amine group. So that is called pyridine. So pyridine is more basic than this compound we are going to use in this reaction. So these primary amines reacts with acyl chlorides. Acyl chlorides is nothing but RC double bond OCl. This is called acyl chlorides, and we are going to use the strong base, that is called pyridine. Pyridine we are going to use this one because of the strong base. Okay, this is the more stronger than this one, and this is here lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom, so which is very reactive, so which comes to make with a new bond with this carbon, and you know that this is a carbonyl function. So they have a del positive charge on carbon and partial negative charge on the oxygen atoms. So what happens in order to see the mechanism? And nitrogen has the 2 hydrogens and positive charge on this because of the new bond formation, and this bond gets migrated towards the O minus, then it becomes O minus because carbon becomes pentavalent. Okay. So in order to why you should not make like this, because when this bond nitrogen lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen, when it hits with carbon atom, then it forms the 5 bonds. In order to make this 4 bond, this bond migrates towards the oxygen, and you know that. So this is called back bonding, oxygen atom back bonding. So this bond comes to here carbon. Now it becomes once again pentavalent. So in order to make the tetravalence, because carbon is a tetravalent, so this is a halogen group. So electronegativity difference between carbon and chlorine. So chlorine is having more electronegative. So which element has a Cl minus? Which element has a Cl minus? After this elimination, what happens now? 1, 2. This is not considered here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 bond will be there. And what about nitrogen? So here nitrogen will have the more electronegative than hydrogen. So this removes as a H plus, and this bond utilization for this nitrogen atom. So finally this H plus and Cl minus, which are going to eliminates. So I am going to eliminates minus HCl, hydrogen product, and remaining product I am going to write here. Remaining product as it is. So that is called N substituted amide group. This is called N substituted amide groups. I can do the example, and you can use also secondary amines. Secondary amines is the same as it is of the primary amines. Instead of 2 hydrogens, you are going to use only one R, that is secondary amine. Okay, instead of 2 hydrogens, one replace hydrogen with R group, that is alkyl group. So what happens here? Then it becomes secondary amines. So remaining bond will be takes as it is only. Okay, instead of R, here will be R will be there. So here also R will be there. So that is called also secondary amines. Okay. Both are same. Okay, and I can do the example here. So I am going to use R as a CH3 group. R I can use C2H5. So ethyl groups. This name is ethylamine or ethane amine. So when it reacts with acetyl chloride, CH3 is also, instead of R group I am going to add CH3 group. So in the presence of pyridine only. So what we are going to get? We are going to get the final. So this is the mechanism. I am not writing. I am writing on this product only. So instead of R, I am going to write C2H5 and nitrogen, and here nitrogen as will be there, C double bond O and CH3. So this is named as N-ethyl because this ethyl group is which is attached with nitrogen. This name is N-ethyl. So acylation also can be carried out in the, this is one example, and also I take one more acetic anhydrous. So I am going to make it, this is R1, R2 and this is R3. Okay, for not confusing. Okay, so here this is primary one that reacts with the anhydride. So same like this will be there. Okay, this bond get migrates because of the partial charge on the positive charge on the carbon and negative charge. So this reaction is completely substitution nucleophilic reaction. This is based on the substitution reaction. So what happens? I am going to write the mechanism. This is also takes place in the presence of pyridine only, because pyridine is more base than this primary amine. So now bond form like this, R dash and positive group, and remaining this one CO minus, because this bond migrates towards the oxygen atom, because when this nitrogen lone pair electrons hit the carbon atoms, now it becomes pentavalent. So in order to maintain the tetravalency, so I am going to write as it is. So like this will be there, and you know that, so this is unstable compound, and this bond migrates towards the oxygen atom. Okay, so when this bond migrates to the carbon atom, now it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know that the carbon is a tetravalency. So and the carbon and oxygen is having the more electronegative. So this elements, this bond migrates towards the oxygen to become C minus. Now it becomes R triple dash C double bond O minus. And this hydrogen is aromatic as a H plus, okay, because this bond is utilizing for the nitrogen terms. So now I am going to write as, I am going to element here, I am writing the product. So product is as is there. This is what N substituted N group, okay. And amide group will be there, because this is the amide group. So what I have replaced here, one these group, R triple dash C double bond O OH group, like this will be there. And acid group I am going to element here. I can give the one example. So what will be the example? So same, instead of R group I am going to take methyl amine with anhydride group, that I am going to take as now acidic anhydride, CS3 C double bond O. Okay, so once again the reaction will be carried out in the presence of base, very strong base, than primary amine. So we are going to get the product as like this only. I am going to write the direct product. Okay. So now its name is methyl group is attached to the nitrogen atom. So we are going to pronounce as N-methyl. And what I am going to element here, I am going to element these group, CH3, C double bond O, and one hydrogen from the methanol. So that is, I am going to write as an acetic acid. So I have elemented acetic acid. So like this, we are going to make the reaction primary amines with these anhydride groups.